CryptoKTV is with you once again from a different place of the world in order to present you the freshest news and opportunities in cryptocurrency and blockchain field. This time we are at NBX Expo Warsaw, Poland, 24 and 25 of May 2023. So what? Here is the most interesting part, because this event is focused on Web3 and even the networking session can be done in Web3 space. Everything is possible with a mobile app. But this thing is just for investors, speakers and VIPs. So, based on your interest, you can have a match with somebody of the event and start a networking session. Don't worry, you will meet the speakers through our interviews with them. One more thing, women has a special seat at the table. I mean, NBX Expo has prepared a special shootout to women being part in Web3 space. Taking control over your money, game monetization, scaling for grants, and fundraising investing are some of the topics of this event. I'm Ioana Mircea and I am your online host for NBX Expo. Don't miss a thing, subscribe and stay with us, CryptoKTV.